Hi everybody, this is Candace from Naturally Stellar, and I'm here with Dollar General today sharing my favorite picks, my skincare essentials. So these are 4 items that can help give you gorgeous, healthy looking skin no matter what season you're in. And everything that I'm going to show you, you can find at Dollar General.
So one of my favorites is vitamin E skin oil. So you can use this on your cuticles, you can use this on your lips, and you can use this on your body. And the good thing about vitamin E oil is that it's a natural alternative to using skin lighteners. It's also low cost and there's no added fragrances. The next item that I like to use is this charcoal and black sugar gel mask by Freeman. So this is a great scrub. I've been using this for about 2 years now, and you can use it both on your face and on your body, and it's full of skin loving oils. Oh my goodness, I love this coconut oil body lotion by Palmer's. It is super moisturizing and it smells like angel food cake. When it comes to my body washes, I am always looking for something that is going to leave me moisturized when I get out of my shower. I don't like that stripped or dry feeling. This one from Tone is a great choice. It's Brazilian Glam and it's full of Brazil nut oil.
So those were my 4 skincare essentials. Everything that I've shown you are items that I use faithfully. And like I said, you can find all of those things at Dollar General. Now, if you want more beauty tips, more tricks, check out BeautyCentsMag.com. All of the information is right here at the bottom of your screen, so you can follow on social media, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.